Welcome to Digital Learning, Department of Graduate Education. Myself, Jodappa Arfu. This is Unit 6th, Session 58. In this, today I discuss about recent growth in international business. Here, what is the learning object? To understand the recent growth in international business is the learning object. Session outcome is nothing but students can able to understand about recent growth in international business. Therefore, recent growth in international business means what? Many industries or companies have been taking their business into foreign nations, means number of companies they enter into their business to international market or foreign market, whether to be an operation move to produce products at lower cost or marketing strategy, means through produce a product at a lower cost or through a marketing strategy they enter into the foreign market, and which is also selling an existing product to a new market. International business is continue to be in the rise. Okay, so number of companies, number of businessmen, they are ready to enter foreign market through producing a product with a lower cost or through marketing strategy or through selling an existing product into the new market. Therefore, this growth in international business has been attributed to many factors, including changes in technology, politics, economics, competition, labor and other costs. Means growth of international business is related to, for increase the international business, it reveals some factors, some contents that like technology is very important, politics is also affected to international business, economy is also affected, competition between the companies is also affected, labor is very important point to enter into the foreign market, and so many other costs like education, skills, environment, pressures, and foreign exchange markets, import and export regulations, trade agreements, and etc. Very important. Other than this, means technology, politics, economics, and competition, education and skills are very important, and environment pressures are very important. Foreign exchange markets, and important export regulations and trade agreements. These are very effective to the international business, growth of international business. Therefore, what are the factors or what are the reasons for recent growth in international business? Means recent growth in international business, ಯಾವ factors affect one of them? ಅಥವಾ what are the reasons for development of international business is one thing. This is very important for 5 marks. First one, technology. I already told that technology has allowed for improved logistics and thus reduced shipping and transportation cost as well as improved communication between the remote teams of workers around the world. Actually, technology is very important point for conducting international business. Any company or any industry go to abroad, in that country, if technology is very good, it reduces the shipping and transportation cost. Any technology irutte, any technical skills adapt ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, it reduces the shipping and transportation cost and also it improves the communication between the remote teams, between the workers. So that is very important point. It is one of the very important factor affect the recent growth in international business. And second one, government. Means in that country, in foreign market, whether which one is country related to government are very important factor. It become more cooperative as they recognize the benefits of international trade, and thus it remove the restrictions and work together to solve that span across the borders. Therefore, if any one government is very give a number of benefits to international business or what you call industries to conduct the international trade, then automatically the what you call growth of international business increases. Through that, remove the restrictions and to solve the sum of what you call problems to span of across the borders, the government is very helpful to what you call industries for growth, for increase their growth. And infrastructure. So technology and government, and then another one factor is infrastructure. Infrastructure in foreign countries continues to improve, thus allowing the companies to more readily conduct business within and across the borders. whatever the infrastructure is available in foreign market, automatically it increases the what you call growth of international business. If there is no infrastructure, it is not possible to conduct the business across the border. This is another one point. And fourth one, consumers means their preferences, their taste. These are depend upon what we call international business. Consumers primarily due to the internet have greater access to information about products and services. Thus, are demanding directly purchasing goods from other nations. Means number of consumers today they are ready to purchase their product through direct internet. They are not go to market. They are directly purchased through via media, via internet. Therefore, they assess their product through what you call internet, assess their service through internet, and what you call it demand and directly purchase the goods from the other nations. That is very important point. And competition is another one point. Competition is forcing companies to continuously reduce cost. Very important. If competition is increases, automatically reduce the cost and training many production facilities as well as services offshore. When competition is increases, it reduces the cost and also it give more production facilities and also service offshore. Another one point, sixth one, new markets. New markets, all the above factors have allowed companies to then offer their existing product and services to entirely new foreign markets. What are the already we are discussing about 5 or more points? These are very important to enter into the foreign market. It is undoubted that international business will continue to rise as our world continues to become more accessible for business. So these are the factors or reasons for what we call recent growth of international business. Today we will discuss about these factors or reasons which are affected to the recent growth in international business. Thank you. Then these are the references already know well. Even you reference ಓದಬಹುದು. And then number of multiple choice questions are there. And that first one is what are the factors attributed to recent growth in international business? ಯಾವ factors ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ A, B, C, D. Technology, government, and C is infrastructure, and D is all the above. So D is the answer here. And what is called dash has allowed for improved logistics and thus reduced shipping and transportation cost as well as improved communication between remote teams and workers around the world. ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ has allowed. That is what we call very important. A. And the third one, dash is forcing companies to continuously reduce cost, which is driving many production facilities as well as serving services offshore. There, technology is there, competition is there, infrastructure is there, government is there. There is also is competition. There is been. And another point, dash are becoming more cooperative as they recognize the benefits of international trade and thus remove the restrictions and work together to solve the span across the borders. The answers 4 ಇದೆ. Technology, competition, government and infrastructure. The answer C, government. And fifth one is MCQ. Dash in foreign countries continues to improve, thus allowing the companies to more rapidly, readily conduct business within the across the borders. Answer technology, competition, government and infrastructure. The answer is D, infrastructure. Therefore, these are the multiple choice questions. Dear students, in this video I discussed about second what we called point related to recent trends in international business. And next video I discuss about another one point. Thank you.